life is good. You know what I mean? Like,
100,000 for the cheapest ring on a nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the ring, called it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh, granted, she was standing right there while I catch a play on the brick.
What do you mean you're not fitting in there?
I fit in there.
What do you mean you can't fit in there? I measured the space. You can fit.
It's got through the gap.
Yeah. You're going to struggle in Italy, lad. What is going on? All the cars, well, except the SVR here. One place. This guy. All here in one place. At the house. Out here, as always.
In the back of the Rolls on the way to Oxford Airport, chartering a flight to Nice. So we're just currently en route. The cars are on a truck, currently driving the south coast of France. Shipped them out a couple of days ago, so they should be there on the tarmac when we get there. So looking forward to jumping in the car. Hopefully it's some decent weather. Heard it's raining though.
Two man on, yeah.
You just have to jump it on in about 5-10 minutes.
At least it matches the Rolls colour. At least it's the same colour as the chauffeur.
Which one is it?
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. That's all I have, I'm afraid.
No, that does
If
the
you do
job
want some
perfectly.
Prosecco, just let us know.
Thanks very much. Thank you. Salut.
Cheers to Flying Chartered. Just pulled up on the runway. 2-hour flight to Nice, pick up the cars in Monaco, and then we're going to drive to Hotel de Paris. A couple of nights there, then we're going to be off to Milan.
Took a shot at Henny, I been going brazen. They say my whole hood got it under investigation. They know they talk that stick talk. They know we talk that lick talk. $10 million cash, fuck a friend. Started sipping syrup, I've been geeked there since. Gotta keep that heat on the seed ever since. You know we talk that stick talk. I'm about to fuck this cash up on a new toy. About to fuck this cash up on a new toy. You can't understand us, cause you're too soft. Taliban bands run them straight through the machinery. They came through with a stick and you heard it. They came through in this bitch and never swerved. I can't believe the blood ain't on my shirt. Because he got hit close range. We be talking stick talk, we be talking bricks too. We be talking lick talk, and I'm a fucking bitch too. I ain't got no manners for them sluts. I'ma put my thumb in them.
The Lambo technically has to flame on the way back.
Flying through the tunnel on the way back to Monaco. We've got no logbook, so if we get pulled by the feds, we're gonna get peppered. Room 314, I would like our shirts ironed, please. So if you go into the room and you look in the wardrobe, there's a white shirt and there's a black shirt. We're gonna be back in about 30 minutes.
for tonight?
Not yet.
Not yet. So I will inform them to bring
The suits, yeah.
everything. Yes.
Alright.
So we're in Monaco, it's 3:21. We're up since like, well, 3:21 probably. And the Macs have come with us because there ain't no time to stop. There ain't no time to do anything else. When you got work to do, we got work to do, and that's the way it is. Ultimately, that's why we're in the position we're in, because we're not fucking around doing dumb shit. We're getting shit done, and that's the difference. So just pulled up to Monaco. 2 Macs, ready to go. No reason for work to be interrupted at all. Are we gonna go to the casino and blow all of the money we make though?
Well, it would be rude not to. How the fuck else are we going to take all the money back to the UK?
It's true. Now, what else do you actually do with money?
Spend it.
Blow it.
Everything in this hotel is so fucking expensive. Everything that I pick up, including this remote for the TV, feels like it's worth.
This is
at
Hotel
least
de
2
Paris,
bags.
for reference. It's like 36 euros for a Red Bull.
Bro, even the TV.
Bounties, it's like 15 euros.
TV is all, bro.
We got the whiskey though. Gunner's happy.
So, can I go Apple, White, Hotel?
Oh, my bitch is far. Oh, my bitch motherfucker. Oh, my bitch is far. Peace out, bitch. Oh, it's video.
People in the UK are actually at work.
So we don't actually like wine.
But this Donny is forcing us against our will at this point.
GTS isn't so bad, but that's because he can't keep up. Isn't that right?
That's fucking wrong.